The China US tug on tariffs, the trade war strikes again. Good evening. I am Mr. Bravo, reporting you live from Global Face tonight, bringing you the world's most critical geopolitical developments shaping our world today. Tonight, we break down to the latest flashpoint in the ongoing US China rivalry, tariffs, retaliations, and the global economy caught in the crossfire. Let's dive in. The Trump's tariff hammer drops. February 1st, 2025, President Trump makes his first major move on its second term, hitting China with 10% tariff on all imports. The reason? Allegation that the Beijing has failed to curb the fentanyl crisis. The result? Another round of economic warfare that could reshape global trade. These tariffs are not just about trade, they are about leverage. Trump is flexing his economic muscle, but at what cost? American businesses and customers will bear the weight of higher prices. China strike back. And just like clockwork, China's fight back. On February 4th, Beijing slaps 50% tariff on US coal and liquefies natural gases, along with 10% duties on crude oil, agricultural equipment, and large vehicles. The message is loud and clear now. China is not breaking down. China is playing a calculative game by targeting US energy and agriculture. They are hitting sectors that are politically sensitive in Washington. But the real race of Beijing sleeves, rare earth metal, essential for America, technical manufacturing, legal battles, and corporate casualties. The trade war isn't just playing out in the market, it's moving into the courtrooms. China has taken its case to the WTO, accusing the US of breaking trade rules, but with the WTO's dispute system practically frozen. That is more about optics than outcomes. This is a symbolic move for China. It allows them to claim the moral higher grounds while taking real action, like adding US firms to their unreliable entries list, cutting them off from doing business in China. The global fallout. But here's the kicker. The trade war isn't just a two-player game. The EU wants to counter measures if Trump moves forward with tariffs on Europe, steel and aluminium. Meanwhile, Canada and Mexico are facing to curve out exemptions from they have dragged into the storm. Trump reciprocal tariff strategy could send shockwaves through global trade. The uncertainty is already disrupting supply chains, are driving up inflation and leaving businesses in limbo. So, what happens next? The US faces a rising consumer cost while China struggling with slowing demand and overproduction. But nations are playing higher stake games, but can they afford to keep raising the stakes? Neither side wants to blink first, but they can afford to let the spiral out of the control. The next few months will be critical and crucial in determining whether they find common grounds or double down on economic confrontation. The world on edge. The China US trade war is more than an economic battle. It's a fight for global dominance. As tariff rise, the tension escalates, the world holds its breath, hoping for resolution before the demand is irreversible. That wraps up tonight geopolitical updates. The world is shifting and the stakes are higher than ever. What are your thoughts on these pressing issues of high tariff and economic war? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and stay informed with the global affairs tonight. Until next time, stay engaged and stay awake. Good night. I was Mr. Bravo. Goodbye.